Dear students, in this lecture we see the multiple choice questions on parametric test. Choose the correct alternative out of 4 given below for each question. Question 1, critical region means option A parameter pace, option B sample pace, option C rejection region, option D accept region. The correct option is C rejection region. Question 2. A sample of size n is drawn from normal population with unknown mean and unknown variance. Which of the following is simple hypothesis? Question A. H naught mu less than 100, sigma square equal to 25. Question B. H naught mu equal to 100. Question C. H naught sigma square equal to 25. And option D. None of these. The correct option is option D. None of these. Question 3. A test T, which is at least most powerful in any other test of the size for all values of the parameter under alternative hypothesis is called a best test, B MP test, C UMP test, D none of these. The correct alternative is B MP test. Question 4. Name and Pearce lemma provide most powerful test for test. Option A, simple null hypothesis versus simple alternative. B, composite null hypothesis against simple alternative. C, simple null hypothesis versus composite alternative. Option D, composite null hypothesis against composite alternative. The correct option is A, simple null hypothesis versus simple alternative. Question 5. A critical region of size alpha which minimize beta amongst all critical region of size alpha is called option A, powerful critical region, option B, minimum critical region, C, base critical region, D, unbiased critical region. Option C, base critical region. Question number 6. A sample of size n drawn from normal population with unknown mean and unknown variance, which of the following hypothesis is simple? H naught mu equal to 100, H naught mu equal to 100 and sigma square equal to 25. Option C, mu H naught sigma square equal to 25. And option D, none of these. The correct option is option B, mu equal to 100 and sigma square equal to 25. Question 6. If the probability of type 1 error and type 2 are denoted by alpha and beta respectively, then the most powerful test. Option A, alpha less than equal to beta. Option B, alpha greater than equal to beta. Option C, alpha plus beta less than 1. Option D, alpha plus beta greater than 1. The correct option is option C, alpha plus beta less than 1. Question number 8. If the p-value of the test is 0.02, then which of the following is false? Option A, it may not be rejected at 1% level of significance. Option B, it cannot be rejected at 5% level of significance. Option C, it must be accepted at 1% level of significance. And D, it is be rejected at 5% level of significance. The correct option is option B, it cannot be rejected at 5% level of significance. Question 9. A statement made about population for testing purpose is called a statistics, hypothesis, level of significance, test statistics. The correct option is option B, hypothesis. Question 10. If the assumed hypothesis is tested for rejection, considering it to be true, is called option A, null hypothesis, option B, statistical hypothesis, option C, simple hypothesis, option D, composite hypothesis. The correct option is option A, null hypothesis. Question 11. A hypothesis which define the population distribution is called null hypothesis, statistical hypothesis, simple hypothesis, composite hypothesis. The correct option is option C, simple hypothesis. Question number 12. If the null hypothesis is false, then which of the following is accepted? A null hypothesis, option B, positive hypothesis, C, negative hypothesis, D, alternative hypothesis. The correct alternative is D, alternative hypothesis. Question number 13. The probability of not accepting H0 when H0 is false. Option A, alpha. Option B, 1 minus beta. Option C, 1. Option D, 0. The correct option is B, 1 minus beta. Question number 14. The rejection probability of null hypothesis when it is true is called option A, level of confidence, option B, level of significance, option C, level of margin, option D, level of rejection. The correct option is level of significance. Question number 15. The point where the null hypothesis gets rejected is called as a significance value, rejection value, acceptance value, critical value. The correct option is critical value. Question 16. If the critical region is evenly distributed, then the test referred as option A, two-tailed, option B, one-tailed, option C, three-tailed, option D, zero-tailed. The correct option is option A, two-tailed. Question number 17. Which of the following is defined as the rule or formula to test a null hypothesis? Option A, test statistics. Option B, population statistics. Option C, variance statistics. Option D, null statistics. The correct option is test statistics. Question number 18. Type 1 error occurs when? Option A, we reject H0 when if it is true. Option B, we reject H0 if it is false. Option C, we accept H0 if it is true. Option C, we accept H0 if it is false. The correct option is option A, we reject H0 if it is true. Question number 19. Probability of type 2 error is option A, beta, option B, alpha, option C, p-value, option D, level of significance. The correct option is E, beta. Question number 20. The H1 is proved hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis, H1 is rejected, H0 is rejected. The correct option is option B, the alternative hypothesis.